Hi, I'm Jose Antonio Climaco, and welcome to Climaco Archives. One of my earliest uploads was Philippine Airlines' 50th anniversary documentary, Wings for a Nation. As an aviation enthusiast, mostly thanks to my dad, who shared with me his passion for airplanes at a young age, his compositions for PAL were among my personal favorites. But what started out as a tribute to my father's work took an unexpected turn when PAL's manager of internal communications, Ian San Gabriel, told me that my upload might be the only surviving copy of the documentary. Given the historical significance of the documentary, we at Climaco Archives are looking to improve our sole digitized copy. The main challenge is that the original Betamax copy that we had was destroyed during Typhoon Ondoy. Ideally, we'd like to remaster videos using analog media, but because we don't have that benefit, I'm collaborating with fellow archivists to test modern restoration software from an already digitized file. What you're seeing are some of the software tests for improving the visuals, which include higher resolutions and close-ups, as well as improved frame pacing. I intend to give further updates on our progress, and hopefully, we can make meaningful improvements to Wings for a Nation in the future, including fixes to tape crease artifacts and improvements on sound quality. For now, here's the ending of Wings for a Nation with some of the initial visual enhancements we've tested.
I'm very happy for them, and the Lord has given me that longer life to be able to see, to celebrate this anniversary of Philippine Airlines.
With the airline for so long, I'm confident that Philippine Airlines will continue to progress and keep up with the best.
I practically grew up with Philippine Airlines during its good and rough times. And when you've been with a company for as long as I have, you'll realize that it's very hard to break this bond.
I am very proud to have belonged to Philippine Airlines, especially for people like myself who are going on in years. Whenever we see a Philippine Airlines plane flying overhead, whether here or abroad, we always say, that is our plane, and may God keep it flying forever.
As it soars on to its next 50 years, Philippine Airlines will continue to share the destiny of the Philippines. One identity, one culture, and one spirit shining through.